So today's video is going to be me sharing my MAC lipsticks with you guys. Now these are lipsticks that I picked up during a sale they had a couple of months ago. I wish I'd bought more. They were £9.60. Picked up 7 lipsticks and I already have one of my own, which is this one. And this one is in Russian red. I've had this for quite some time. I wore this on my wedding and this was the only like MAC makeup product I ever owned, and now I am the owner of the MAC Fix Plus because I got that in like a gift box that I bought from Boots, and all of these lipsticks which came in this Christmassy bag. Well, it said Christmas bag on there, so it must have been around about Christmas time, so there should be 7 lipsticks in here. If you hear any noises, baby noises, especially my daughter's up, I'm filming this literally at 2 AM. I thought she would carry on sleeping, but clearly she hasn't, and I don't want to leave her on her own, so you're gonna hear a lot of baby noises, which I'm sure you guys will love. But yes, there are 7 lipsticks here. These are all supposed to be, I did my research, quite a lot of research, and these are all supposed to be amazing for especially brown skin girls, but obviously anybody can wear them. You rock whichever colours you like and are interested in. So I'm just going to be showing you all the swatches on my lips. If you guys want to see like solid swatches, go over to my Instagram, and yes, if you guys haven't checked out my life update video, then I recorded that previously, so go check that out. I'll leave it in the eye. So yes, let's get straight into the video. So I'm going to apply them to my lips. I was going to put lip liner on, but then I thought I want to show you guys the true colours of these lipsticks. So yes, I'm going to zoom you guys in. I'm going to apply them and show you guys, and let me know down below which one is your favourite colour. And if you have any recommendations for any MAC lipsticks I should try out, then also let me know down below. Right, let's get on to the video. So I'm going to go in with Primark Mirror. Sorry, it's very dirty, and it has a light on it which is like touchscreen, and it's really nice. You guys should get it. It's really good for travelling. It was £6. Velvet Teddy. This is the most nudist lipstick that I own. Very nude. Very nude pink. I wouldn't go any lighter than this. So the Velvet Teddy was a matte lipstick. I really love the formula. These stay on for so long, like literally once, I'm not even joking, I wore a MAC lipstick, and I drank a cup of tea and the stain would not even come off the cup. Like, it had to be washed again and again just to get rid of that stain. That's how good these lipsticks are. Obviously they're not kiss proof, you can see that, but they last a very long time, and they're super comfortable on the lips even though they're a matte formula. This is Velvet Teddy, the nudest nude I would ever go nude. Let's move on to the next one. By the way, this is my natural depigmentation. This is what my hair looks like. It's a deeper pink. So yeah, the lipsticks come in a standard bullet. There is some weight to it, so that's how you know it's kind of like a high-end makeup brand, and the packaging is nice and sleek. These lipsticks are traditionally, they smell of vanilla, which I actually do like the smell, and it kind of reminds me of like old lipsticks as well. So this one is Meher, a beautiful, just nice bright pink. Whirl, we're going to try Whirl next. Whirl is kind of like a nice nude brown. So this is the lipstick that Kylie Jenner used to wear, I believe. Yep, MAC Whirl is the Kylie Jenner standard lipstick. Let's try it on. This would be my like cool tones nude lipstick for, definitely I'd wear this for autumn. Taupe. Taupe is your traditional brick brown lipstick. Gorgeous. Oh, this is like an orangey brown nude, and this one is slightly darker and richer than the World shade. They make your teeth look super white as well. I'm gonna try D for Danger. Now this one I have not tried at all yet. Oh, brand new bullet.
Whoa.
You definitely need a lip liner with this. This one is the most pigmented out of all the ones I've tried. This would be like something I would wear in winter. Now, is this gonna stain my lips is the question. Probably is. Next we're gonna go in with Chili. So by the way, all these are matte. I love matte lipsticks. Oh, that is a gorgeous, gorgeous colour. I love that colour a lot. Like, how have I not already worn this colour before? That was my first time applying that too. I'm obsessed. I'm in love. I'm literally in love. Marrakesh is like the last new lipstick I own. This is an orange brown, and oh my god, this shade is stunning too and would be so perfect for autumn. Lastly, I'm going to try my Russian red. Straight up red this is. Okay guys, that was all of the MAC lipsticks that I have to try for you guys, and these obviously are so perfect, especially if you have medium skin tones. I would definitely recommend these shades. They're so stunning. I cannot wait to rock these in autumn, and they're definitely going to be included in my autumn lipsticks collection. I am so happy with this purchase. I would definitely pick up more MAC lipsticks. I love the formula. Don't know why I've never tried it before, like properly. They're just so comfortable. Yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know down below what videos you want to see from me next. If you want me to swatch any of the lipsticks or do any of the swatch videos, please let me know down below. And yeah, I hope you guys are having a fantastic day, whatever you're getting up to. Please take care of yourselves, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.